Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to add Klarna to Apple Pay. So you can just open up your Apple Wallet, come and click on this plus icon, and you can choose from different cards, right? If you find a Klarna, go ahead and use that. And you can also choose other card. You come enter the details manually, right here, the card number, store name, and then you add it. But what you can also do is you can go ahead and on your wallet, just click on the plus icon, come here, choose debit or credit card, okay? And then you just add it like you would a normal card. So add a different card, choose this one, and hit continue right here. Click enter details manually. And when you create your one-time card with Klarna, you get your name, you get your card number, details like that, expiration date and CVV code. You just enter those here, and it's really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.